If you want to save money while booking flights, one of the best features you can use is the flexible dates option on Google Flights. Many travelers don't realize that changing your travel dates by just a day or two can significantly reduce the price of your ticket. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the flexible dates feature on Google Flights step by step, even if you've never used the platform before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to compare flight prices across multiple dates and choose the cheapest option for your trip. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Flights website. On the home page, you'll see the main flight search section. Start by entering your departure airport in the From field and your destination in the To field. Next, select whether you want a one-way trip, round-trip flight, or multi-city trip. After that, choose your initial travel dates and the number of passengers traveling. Once you have entered these details, click the search button to view the available flights. After the search results appear, look at the top section of the results page. You'll see two helpful tools called the Date Grid and the Price Graph. These tools are designed to help you explore flexible travel dates. Click on the Date Grid option to view a calendar-style layout showing flight prices for different departure and return dates. This makes it easy to compare prices and quickly identify the cheapest days to travel. Another useful tool is the Price Graph. When you click on it, Google Flights will display a graph showing how flight prices change across different dates. You can scroll through the graph to see which days have lower fares. If your travel schedule is flexible, you can select those cheaper dates and instantly update your flight results. Using flexible dates is one of the simplest ways to reduce travel costs because flight prices often change depending on the day of the week, demand, and season. By checking multiple dates, you can easily find a better deal without spending extra time searching on multiple websites. Summary: in this tutorial, we learned how to use the flexible dates feature on Google Flights by searching for a route, exploring the Date Grid and Price Graph tools, and comparing prices across different travel dates. These features help travelers quickly identify the cheapest days to fly and save money on flight bookings. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.